Question number 5. So I've got Z. So Z is B and I. Therefore, if theta is my angle, that's 1, that's B. The tan of theta is 1 on B. And the argument of Z is theta. And the argument of Z to the power of 7, well, Z to the power of 7 is R to the 7 cis 7 theta. So the argument of Z to the 7 is 7 theta. I need these two to be the same as each other. That is, that if this is theta and this is 7 theta, then it ends up being the same angle. Okay, so I might consider, what do I need to do? Find a possible value of B. Okay, so if I was to take all these B's, so in A's case, if B equals negative 1 on root 3, the tan of theta would be 1 on, so it's negative root 3, which would be minus pi on 3. In B's case, B equals 0, undefined because I can't have 1 divided by 0. Oh, sorry. If B equals 0, then Z's up here, so theta is pi on 2. In part C's case, 1 on root 3 is root 3, so the inverse tan of root 3, so it's pi on 3. For 1, it's going to be pi on 4. And for root 3, 1 on root 3 is going to be pi on 6. If I consider 7 theta, then minus pi on 3 is minus 7 pi on 3. 7 pi on 2, 7 pi on 3, 7 pi on 4, 7 pi on 6. That's in quadrant 1, that's in quadrant 3, so it's not E. That's in quadrant 1, that's in quadrant 4, so it's not there. I like C because pi on 3 and 7 pi on 3 are the same angle. Pi on 2 and 7 pi on 2 are not the same. Pi on 2 is up there, 7 pi on 2 is down there. And minus pi on 3 and minus 7 pi on 3. Why can't it? Is it A or is it C? Because this is pi on 6. That's why. So C is my answer. Because 7 times pi on 3 is the same as pi on 3.